Hey everyone, TJ here back with another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about how the US government shutdown affects Bitcoin and MSTR. But before I get into the video, I just want to update everyone on Strategy's latest Bitcoin purchase. So Michael Saylor literally posted this a few minutes ago. He said Strategy acquired 487 Bitcoin for $49.9 million at $102,557 and has achieved the Bitcoin yield of 26.1% year to date 2025. So as of today, Strategy holds 641,692 Bitcoin, okay, acquired for $47.54 billion at an average purchase price of $74,079. But what's really interesting about this purchase is that Saylor ended up tapping the STRC stretch preferred ATM for the first time ever. So you see a look at the breakdown. He did not dilute the common stock of MSTR. He diluted STRF, STRC, STRK, and STRD. So this is really interesting because I talked a lot in a previous video about how STRC was going to change the world because it's basically a 10% APY monthly dividend stock. So more capital has been flowing into that stock. So that's really nice to see. I think STRC is an absolute game changer. And for a lot of you out there that are looking to retire early or you're looking for passive income, you don't want to deal with Bitcoin's volatility, STRC is a great choice for you. Now, let's get into the meat of the video. I want to keep this video short. Let's talk about the US government shutdown. Okay, so a lot of things have been going on lately, and I just came across this post. I talked a little bit about this earlier, but this was a really interesting post over on X by Ash Crypto. Follow him. You can also follow me on X as well at MSTR Investor. So he posted this, I believe he posted this a day or two ago. He said the last time the US government reopened after a shutdown, Bitcoin made a 5-month rally. So I did fact check this, and this is true. Bitcoin did pump during the previous government shutdown, which in the past, I believe it lasted about 35 days. So as of now, it looks like the US government shutdown is going to end on Friday. And according to Polymarket, you can see here that percentage has skyrocketed since over the weekend. Okay, it's now basically an 87% chance that the government shutdown ends this week. So I was also reading the Wall Street Journal like I do and try to kind of keep track of this stuff. This is not a political channel, and even though I'm from Washington D.C., I'm not like a connoisseur of politics, but I saw this tidbit on the Wall Street Journal. It was very interesting to me. So Trump said, it looks like we are getting close to the shutdown ending. President Trump told reporters when he returned to the White House Sunday evening, you'll know very soon. So this is huge because I don't necessarily know if history is going to repeat itself, but there's a lot of global liquidity that's being tied up now. A lot of people are fearful. We talked about Jim Chanos closing out his short position. Markets are panicking, and I don't know if history will repeat, but it's very interesting. I also saw another article on Yahoo that mentions that it is possible that Bitcoin could rally once the shutdown ends. So why is this good for MSTR? Well, as I just mentioned, okay, MSTR holds 641,692 Bitcoin, folks. So this is extremely bullish. I don't expect Bitcoin to run 300% because the last time that happened, okay, Bitcoin's price was much cheaper. So if we take a look at the article here, we can see that during the previous US government shutdown back in 2028, 2029, Bitcoin fell from $4,000 to around $3,600. Okay, and then after that, the price started breaking out. So if we go back here, we can see, Bitcoin tapped, like it bottomed out. And then once the US government opened, it ran up. It basically did a 4x. So this is extremely bullish for MSTR as well because, as the largest Bitcoin holdings company on planet Earth, I don't expect Bitcoin to go up, do a 4x, but maybe Bitcoin does a 2x. So I still have a price target of 200K. I really believe Bitcoin's basically going to double from here. And that's simply because once the US government reopens, I believe those macro headwinds will basically be out of the way, and then we could just continue marching higher. So, this previous government shutdown, Bitcoin's price pumped for, it pumped for about 5 months or so in a row. So it did about 5 months of bullish momentum, and it cooled off. So, like I said, this is not financial advice. But if history repeats, then 5 months from now would be around April 10th. And it's kind of funny because it actually coincides with my belief that MSTR will top out at the end of Q1 2026. So, obviously I don't know how high Bitcoin's going to go, but seeing Jim Chanos close his short position, probably did that because he knew the U.S. government was going to reopen soon. And I think this is extremely bullish for MSTR. So right now we're above the danger zone. The price is currently at $250. We're above this green line, which is the danger zone. I still have my Q1 2026 price target of around $1,300 for MSTR, and I do expect the MNAV to start expanding because Jim Chanos closed his short position. I expect other short sellers to basically copy him, close their position. In order to close their short positions, they need to buy the stock back and return those shares. So everything's looking bullish right now. I still have my end of the year price target of $750. I think now is a great time. If you've been on the fence about options, you can use MSTR options to trade with leverage. I don't recommend going all in with options, but if you're new to options, you're a complete beginner, buy a copy of my ebook, MSTR Options Cash Flow. It will help you learn how to, trade options, which brokerages to use, how to get set up and things like that. And that can kind of like compound your gains if history repeats. So like I said, I'm really excited now. It looks like we're finally past this danger zone. Hopefully we start moving up here. RSI is starting to turn around. Everything is starting to look bullish. If the U.S. government opens, I expect an explosive movement for Bitcoin, MSTR, and probably altcoins as well, probably Ethereum. So we'll see what happens. And also, don't forget about MSTU. I know it's a high risk 2x leverage ETF play, but if MSTR pumps and Bitcoin pumps, I think MSTU at around $2, I think it's worth a gamble. Not telling anyone to go all in or anything like that, but $2 last Q4, it did a 10x. So I'm interested in that leverage ETF as well. So that's it. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hope everyone enjoyed it. If you want to chat more with me, chat in the Discord at MSTR Investors Club. You can simply join by clicking the link in the description or just subscribing to the channel, and then you'll see the join button right below my videos. You can just push the join button. That's all I got to this video. Hope everyone enjoyed it. See everyone in the next one. Take care.